iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting, iDiskiTimes.co.za. What a game in Stellenbosch in the rain. Very, very entertaining game of football. Penalty goal for Stellenbosch. They equalized in the last minute. Sundowns could have scored. They hit the post in the last 3 minutes. That was a pulsating game. That was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful game of football in the rain. Junior Khanye, our analyst, what did you make of the game, sir?
Mr. Maprada kunjani ishengathi inkululeko nkiwe iplani elikhulu kuleko Maprada kunjani
Yes sir, yes sir.
ngibulisele ngonyethu justice Desmond izongixolela yawuthi yami la ikhona ngifeni hayi le yakhotman ya le ngonye inthatheni unkululeko simile luka like Desmond plus inokujava le lakhotman Des Dube ya no kuleko Maprada kunjani mfethu ngibulisa ingwenyethu justice ngibulise uTrucks legendary Benedict Sovila guys the little Napoleon ebafethu kunjani keep on supporting iDiskiTV fighting no one who try to fix South African football Leo my underrated too in South African football kuleko Maprada one of the best talent South Africa must take care asekeleni into ezibhaya. Can you look at the boy ubheke ukuthi umfana usuka phi ngikhuluma ngograduate la nkuleka kunaskele nobody is selling him lize mawazibhola green shops khuluma ngebalance awunesirole ka number 10 eSouth Africa kumele idlale kanjani amfana lo can kick both feet ibalance enyaweni understanding it doesn't delay ibhola when it's necessary. Yes, it delay the ball if fit no nkuleko I'm speechless umfana lazi ibhola South Africa bafana they must look at him. So going to the game, Stellenbosch come to this game 30 the advantage. Good Sundowns they come and bring players that unfit in terms of match fitness. Rivaldo Kutse elomfana lonkosi uThando, a young player coming from their structure, Mashiko, a couple of Libusa as well, not playing regularly. We need to be honest. Domingos. So I think 4 or 5 players. But the thinking is Stellenbosch. They overload the side like Mashiko. But the team list would overload the side. Adams, Titus, Reyners, Mendieta, compliment to the coach, even his players, because they were supposed to lead, especially first half by 1-0. My changer lead 1-0 or even 2-0. You understand? Because always when they go, especially on the right, overload the other side, it becomes a problem. It's just that decision making. It was wrong. Wrong decision making choice, especially Pamwe Pali, whereby sometimes made an extra touch. Sundowns defenders banabe bastretch, bakore ngana muntu. Basha is somebody's here. Big many baby compose. I think in terms of in the middle, I think Stellenbosch ben boni game, especially first half Sundowns they're not dominating in middle field. Domingos ulomfana unkosi, bright future ahead of him. Alazi Paul. Nkuluma young star from Sundowns yalazi Paul. When you bring somebody say young star, you don't have to take time. After 3 years, Kanu's of his Sandler. Yes, truly speaking, whoever can talk. A young star, lomfana to figure is his first game today. Upega uzoshaya inkunzi past le ashaya Domingos amveza first half. Upega le bola lishamrena ngekho isina player umrena ukuthi angaba surprise ngale bola lomfana liphasile. Bright future ahead of the boy. Pheka ama touches. Ungacheck ukuthi ulithinteka ngaka touches. So mawushaya forward pass lomfana la sibhola. So first half him unkosi Domingos Mayema including Rivaldo, they were not in charge. I think the shape as well, when they were defending, it was a problem. They were good, Mabapeti Pola, but there was a hole. Mtetwa and another teammate, Chapa. I think the guy, they were dominating, pulling that middle. 2 defensive, relying in these 4. 4 on a cross run, overloading this side, it became a problem. Shalulile, ultolili chance first half, decision making. A player got to Nkala. Good player, senior player in terms of finish. Strength is doing very well because the strength is a finisher, poucher. But la Pope no goalkeeper. Decision making. And I think the coach is making a plan by playing him wide. Why playing him wide? I'm exposed the coach. Why unabantu uneo can go and play left. Domingos can play right probably. We understand or yena uma ilula qale ne game or ga right okanye ga left because udlala ngo left. Neo mhlambe going cutting in umbeke ushalule central. Going him, take him to the right or left, it's a problem. Second half, I think coaches Sundowns by doing subs. I don't think Mbule mina is a bright future star, another super yala zipol. Don't call him disappointed Gulenta Inzil. I need to be honest. He's a human after all, but he mustn't repeat what he did. Abanye bantu you don't get away ngalento Inzil. So I don't think bega space ukuthi bangamdlalisa today. Look at the weather condition there. You understand? Definitely Sundowns are under pressure today. And Aluboni came Sundowns. Let alone good team, those players they are not playing. They are Sundowns material. And I'm glad to Rulani using those players. But Saini they get paid. What are my expectations? So it's me. So Isapwa, I think the coach it did well by bringing those players. But Mbule, good player, but I don't think space is so good at namhlanje. He did wrong things. I think first back pass is true.
Kone interception Van Veek ayithathile from Mbule directly.
I think it's really is true. Pass away by no man was not even ready. He passed it. But Uchegile, there was no one. There was a hole. Stele Kabanga at the back. Ongo Grand Kakane. I think almost caught exposed. AS3. Intercepted 4 penalty. So I'm not one of the best player. But I think mentally, you understand you have enough players. Look like lively. Nyanga, yeah, I'm cheating and Bonilum Fani energy. My young star. In fact, you don't have to take long. I mean, okay, sharp. When you say I'm fanusa so graduate, but the good play quality can't change. Akfunegi intaining, aspeg intaining quality. That's all. So Stellenbosch was apply ilela. They sometimes got a goal. Late. It's so late. Enga galea. Yeah.
Champion.
Yeah, Marino kuzenze shy last week Champions League. I was kuzenze, create space, no kuthathi lahle ibambe step over trophy sholile.
Yeah, but today there was a tap.
Yeah, kunabantu ba ama tap in. Namhlanje shy sharp. Oh. Today shyile but yeah, yeah. Balance Romario. Remind me of Romario, the Brazilian number 11. Yeah, Brazilian number 11. So credit, but Stellenbosch they applied themselves in this game. Yeah. Gave Sundowns tough time. This is not actually game of yours. But they came there. Yeah, good aware condition. We can't say Sundowns they came to them. That's why you can't play a second team right in Guleo, whereby you can't dominate them. Yeah. When they play second team, Bonisa Nuguto Keshap, this is the second team, not by choking by this apply. I think any mistake at Keshabayenza is telling Portugal police shy pal when Sundowns brought everybody on Gamo big machine wabo. Taking out to Mendieta, the coach planned. Angege uti Sivimbe. We understand. Sharpie put that striker, but me Mendieta. You understand, Uncle? And I'm sure they were going to get something. It's Sundowns, unfortunate by hitting upright, they were coming now. Right. Yeah, so game of football, I deserve it role game for me.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you so much for that. I was saying that when it was 0-0, it doesn't deserve a 0-0. At least we got 1-1. That was a beautiful game of football. Now, I realize there have been people who've been with us since Thursday. We shot a video on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Different videos, and then there's always maybe 1,000 people, maybe 2,000 people who watch every single video. It doesn't matter Uguti, this is their team or not their team. We really appreciate you. We've been here. We're very, very tired. All of us are tired. We're going to take a break. We'll come back for the predictions on Friday. We just want to say thank you to everyone, especially the people who were there since Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, using your data to catch up on these games. We really do appreciate you. Appreciate the people in Stellenbosch as well for coming out in the rain, and the players as well for making this a very exciting, beautiful game. iDiskiTV, iDiskiTimes, World Sports Betting. Thank you very much for watching us.